Once you received your order, go ahead and lay out everything in front of you. A couple of quick notes before we get started. This installation video will be shown installing PMR side racks along with a PMR rear rack. If you want to install the side racks by themselves, you'll need to use an 8mm socket with extension to remove the factory seat mounting bolts and use the supplied aluminum spacers prior to installation. The spacers take up the room where the rear rack mounting points would normally sit. If you need further assistance, please watch our KLX300 rear rack install video. You can also reach out to us directly with any questions. Please note that this video only shows one side of the rear racks being installed. Proceed with the same install process for the opposite side as well. Begin with removing your rear rack seat mounting bolt. Next, locate the factory foot peg and remove the bolt as shown. Be sure to hold on to the factory washers as you will need them for installation. Take one of the longer bolts from your hardware kit and slide on two of the black sleeves as shown. With the side rack in place, thread in the bolt hand tight. For the foot peg mounting location, you'll need to be sure that the hardware, foot peg, and side rack are in the following order, so take your time during this step. Now this is the time to decide if you'd like easier access to the foot pegs or not. You can either install the side racks with the foot pegs tucked behind them or leave them on the outside if you think you'll be using them more often. We recommend keeping them tucked away until you need them, but please ride carefully and at your own risk. Now go ahead and tighten down your hardware and all mounting locations, and you've completed the install. Please let us know if you have any questions. We appreciate your feedback. Thank you.